All right, hello and welcome everybody. J-Man here back for some more Nightwish reactions. So we're working our way through Human Nature. We have proceeded to Procession. I just can't say enough how much I'm loving this album. The last one reduced me to a ball of snot and tears, as many of their songs have done in the past. And I love this guy right here. I love this guy. J-Man's got a man crush on Tuomas. Let's just put it out there. I've got a man crush for Tuomas. Um, the guy is a freaking genius. I love his mind. I love the way he thinks. I love the way he sees the world. I love seeing the world through the lens of Tuomas's eyes in his art. Um, and that's all I got to say. Let's just let's go on. So we're doing the countdowns that the band had put out for the album pre-release, telling us a little bit about the music. So we're gonna listen to what Tuomas has got to say about Procession. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Twitch. Love all you guys. Can't thank you enough. Let's get it.
Procession was the starting point for the whole songwriting process for Human Nature. It was the first song to get its final form. I remember vividly looking at the first season of the series Stranger Things and was heavily inspired by the soundscapes and the arpeggios of the soundtrack of that series. So that's how the song got started. It's very lyric heavy. To really understand what's going on, to get the hook of the song, you need to delve into the lyrics. And also, personally, I feel that this is probably the best, at least most touching performance by Floor that I've ever heard. She really captures the essence of the song.
Stop that.
And
We've got a rule.
The story as it should be told.
Oh boy. Tuomas didn't get the memo. Somebody check with Tuomas. He didn't get the memo. So yeah, so good luck with that. All right. Okay. Enough said. Here we go. Nightwish, Procession, got a little bit of the backstory. Got a sucker punch from Tuomas that Floor's gonna kill us. Let's get it.
A cradle earth, a rising sun sea, new world and thirst for the arcane. We are singers of the calm. We remember as the long came life. A cradle earth, a rising sun sea, birth of one and a zillion sideshows. We are, we were, and will not be. We remember as along came acorn, another birth, another moss green, new world and thirst for the unseen, an empty suit, a starlight feature. We'll have a visit as along came heartbeat,
Yeah. Tuomas just won't cut me a break. Yeah, I was gone there for a little while, I think. Um, there's a lot to unpack there. What are you sorry for, Witch Erlene? Um, that's some deep stuff. I mean, to and I think I like the ordering, even though this was he said that this was the first one that came fully together on the album. Um, I like the ordering here. Um, because the previous song, um, "How's the Heart," was telling us to, take care of each other, check on each other, make sure we're all doing okay. And now he's saying, now look deeper, go bigger than that. Look around to the world around you. Look at all of the life around you, and take care of that. Um, yeah, I mean, I think I've talked about it before when talking about my dogs. Um, it's a shame that for millennia that humankind looked at animals as, you know inferior species. Um, and now as we do more and more studies on animals, we're learning more and more that they experience emotions. They have fears, they have doubts, they have insecurities, they have anxiety, they have depression. Um, they make friends, they have communities, they work together. Um, Unfortunately, they fight like us. Um, we're all animals. The world, there's nothing wrong with the word animals as long as you understand we're an animal. We're all animals. We're all again, we're all one. Um, Breaks my heart to see that list of, and that was a very, very small list of the animals that are endangered or at risk or whatever. Breaks my heart to know that there are species that we never got to see. Um, and we're in the middle of another mass extinction. When you look at um, uh, when you talk to paleontologists um, and geologists and biologists, we are in the middle of another mass extinction. It's just not a big event thing like the comet that struck and killed the dinosaurs. We're in the middle of an Ross Berkey. Um, we're in the middle of another mass extinction, and it's at our hands. It's at humans' hands. Um, and there's a big dilemma there. I mean, humankind as a population is growing, and we're running out of area to put people. So we have to expand into some of these animals' natural habitats, but I feel like we owe it to them to do something about it, to give them an out, give them a way to continue to survive, um, and learn to coexist with them, um, and not be a destroyer of species that we are. Um, yeah, I just super super profound statement by Tuomas again, and another case of him using his podium for good. Um, yeah, Ad Astra. So what is Ad Astra a song from this album? I haven't even looked at the back jacket. Okay, so we're gonna get to Ad Astra, right? Oh, it's on the musical disc. It's on the music only one, right? Is that it? Okay. All right. Okay. Sorry. YouTube. I'm sitting here reading what Twitch has got to say. Hopefully, you guys can read that on screen. I've gotten sidetracked. Let's go ahead. Let's cut this here. Magnificent work here by Tuomas. Again, this album is pure magic. Um, Tuomas is speaking to me in volumes, and I'm hearing it all. I've not quite comprehended all of it, but I will. I'll get there. The more I listen to this, the more I dive into it, the more I will understand. Um, and yeah, just thank you, Tuomas, for being you and doing what you do and uh, using the microphone you have, using the podium that you have for good. Because I agree with every single thing that you've got to say so far. So let's cut it here. Thank you, YouTube. Thanks for joining. Sorry for the long outro. But yeah, deal with it. It is what it is. Thank you, Twitch. Thanks for joining me. Hope you guys, I'm sure you guys do. I'm sure you guys have enjoyed this album. Although I've heard a couple of haters out there. Um, but hey, it's art, it's music, it's interpretational. Some people are going to get it more than others. By far, I feel like chat and most of the comments on YouTube have been in agreement with me that this is a masterpiece. So yeah, we'll cut it here. We'll be back with another reaction here very shortly. Um, Everybody be good to yourselves, be good to those you love, be good to nature, be good to the animals and the wildlife around you, and understand that they have a heart too. And although we may not be able to express it in words, ask them how's the heart, right? All right. Peace.